We're gonna lay her first egg today. She's in there with Kitty all cuddled up. Is that an egg from you? Is that an egg from you, Cupcake? Cupcake? Oh, you did it, Cupcake. You did it. Look. Cupcake, you did it. Oh, you had your first egg, Cupcake. Good job. Oh. Oh my gosh, let me put it back. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Cupcake, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh, what a good girl, Cupcake. You did it. You did it.
I thought y'all was gonna get this.
Good girl. I'm so proud of you. You did such a good job, Mama. Your first egg is so beautiful. Love you.